YouTube. I don't get it. I don't get it. You're like a complicated girlfriend. 1 minute you're loving, giving me attention, and satisfying my needs. The next, you're not putting me in the suggested tab, or the trending tab. You're unsubscribing subscribers from me, and I do nothing but care and love you. Like when a video of a knife cutting things is getting over 50 million views, that's when you know, as a YouTuber, you're not doing the right thing. So let's do the right thing. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing of that cutting video, but instead of using a measly kitchen, I'm going to be using a katana. Alright, so we got a bleeding off the top right here with an egg. So let's put this together.
Amazing. Look at that. Look how it literally touched the egg.
Alright, next up we have Hartley's jelly. Okay, now we have this mannequin thing.
Nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? Well, guess that's the end of that now.